Welcome back. In this video, we are going to download the Eclipse and we will try to install and we will also go through the Eclipse. So first of all, you can open any web browser and just search Eclipse download and you can open the first link and you can see here, you can just select this one. Currently, I'm using the Windows system. Now you can click on download. So once the download has been done, then just double click. It will open the Eclipse installer and here you can select either Eclipse ID for Java developer or Eclipse ID for enterprise Java and web developer. Both are fine. So if you are planning to implement some web application in the future, you can just select this one. For now, I'm going to select this one. So here you can see it is showing here Java path. Last video we have installed Java JDK 22 and currently Eclipse will be installed at this location. Now you click on install. Now you can click on launch. So you can see here Eclipse has been installed. Now it is going to open the Eclipse. So first of all, it will ask you to select your workspace direct. So what is workspace? So I can say here a workspace is a concept of grouping together. That means it will try to keep your all the project and it will also keep some configuration of your project and it will keep some setting for your Eclipse or I can say some plugin. You will see in the future. So I'm going to change the workspace path. So this is my workspace path. Now you can click on launch. It will take some time to launch your Eclipse IDE. So what is our purpose to install this one? Our main intention like we'll write our all the Java code into Eclipse. You can use any other IDE like Visual Studio Code Editor or you can go with Notepad. If you use any IDE, it is going to help you to correct your mistake and it is definitely help you to improve in your coding also. So once you install, you will see one welcome page. So here you can see there is some tutorial. If you want to import your existing project, you can just click this one. If you want to open your existing file, you can select this one and if you select this one you can see what are the latest thing. Now you can close this one. So by default it will look like this one. Here you can see your project explorer and here you will see problem server terminal console everything and some outline you can see here and this place. So this place will be visible once you will try to write or you will create your some project and this section is called file. Here they have some option. Similarly for edit, navigate, search, project, run. So this will be helpful when we'll try to run our Java code and this window. So once you want to change something in Eclipse, you can just click on preference and you can change your setting here also. And suppose you want to add something or you want to remove from the bottom panel, you can just select this show view and you can see this default option or if you want to add more, you can just select on others and you can see what other things you want. So if you want to see something in the help, you can just click and you will see some option here. If you want to install something, you can just click on install new software or you can also select Eclipse Marketplace. So this is a place where you can download some plugin and that plugin will definitely help you in your coding. So you can see some by default most feature plugin is available here. If you want to search something, you can directly search. So in popular section, you can see some popular plugin also available. So this is just a small overview. So in next video, we are going to create our Java project in Eclipse and we will try to write same hello world program.